Lloyd has launched a new lineup in their refrigerator series, and today we are going to see one of the unique ranges, the Icecool Series. From design to cooling, everything looks interesting. So let's start with appearance. It comes with a crown design along with a chrome finish on the top edge and handle. It gives a premium and modern look which definitely upgrades your kitchen setup. And the next unique feature is cool switch. This is first time in India and it allows you to easily control the airflow inside the fridge. You can ensure a consistent temperature across all compartments. Also, it solves the common issue of uneven cooling on your fridge. And you need not to worry about overcooling or undercooling problems anymore. This model comes with an copper freeze technology. It has a copper infused ice tray which gives better cooling, and it can make ice in just 59 minutes. Next, it has an concealed closed condenser coil, also called as clean back design, and there is no visible coils at the back. Also, the dust accumulation will be less and the refrigerator can be placed closer to the wall. By this, the maintenance is easier and the fridge looks much cleaner. Coming to the storage pack, it has a large chiller tray, perfect for items that need quick cooling. So if you want a fast chilling with large quantity, this feature is very useful. And finally, Honeycomb Crisper. This helps in maintaining moisture inside the box, which increases the life of vegetables. So freshness stays long and wastages reduces. So overall, the Lloyd Icecool series is not just about looks. It combines premium design, smart cooling features, and practical storage. If you are planning to upgrade your fridge, this is definitely worth considering.